know why I'm running?
Don't sneeze and I'm afraid to get the virus.
Let's talk about COVID-19.
Most people who get COVID get mild fever and they manage to recover.
But it can be more severe for others.
COVID is constantly looking for its new host to execute its evil plans. As a kid, I can help fight this nasty creature. How should we do it? First, wash your hands with soap and water. Do this for 30 seconds. 30 seconds! This way, the material that envelopes the virus gets broken and the virus can't infect our cells. If you think it seems like a long time, just sing happy birthday twice. Happy birthday to you. No, sing, no problem. Just use alcohol or hand sanitizer. I'm going to use second mask on. I can put on the mask. Is this correct? I am wearing a mask to protect myself and everybody else. I don't take this off. Third, practice social distance first. Let's practice self-care. Talk to your loved ones and say, I love you. Hello, Daddy, I love you. For fourth, hear me, adults. Please take your vaccine. You need to protect yourself because by doing so, you protect the ones you love. That includes me. Finally, that is our fifth, the vitamins. Calm yourselves. What's good for the body? Grapes. And mangoes and strawberries and bananas. At the age of 5, I am part of history. Our way of life changed. School was cancelled. Can't go to Delby. Can't even go to playgrounds. Everything went to virtual. I haven't had my first time in kindergarten. It made me feel blue. But you see, we are still so blessed. We are still here and fighting. But the best thing we can do is to pray. Jesus is in control and He'll be with us all through the way. Don't forget to thank the people who are working hard in the front line so we can go back to normal. They are real heroes. But we can be heroes in our own little ways. Follow and stop being hard-headed. Okay? Let's fight COVID. Go, go, go!
Okay, ask me to help you.
No?
Say, Mommy, can you help?
No?
What you just say is, Mommy, can you help? Uy.
No, no, thank you. Arm yourselves. What's good for the body? Grapes. And mangoes and strawberries. And bananas. I said my strawberry was my favorite fruit.